Do you want to write a book? Don't think you'll ever have time? Watch this video for my step-by-step system that you can use to help you write a #1 bestseller in 90 days. For the best blogging advice, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video every single Monday. So if you're struggling to know where to start and you don't know what needs to be done by when, by the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step formula, which will be your foolproof system to getting your book written. I've proven this system on myself by writing my own #1 bestseller in just 90 days, and you can too. I'm going to assume at this point that you already have your book topic nailed down, and if you haven't, that is the groundwork that you need to do before you crack on with these steps. So step 1, first you need an outline, a beginning, a middle and an end, and the key points in between. Now this could be the key points of your protagonist journey or the key points of a transformation. So this will give you an outline which you can then expand on later. Step 2, choose your publishing service. I chose Kindle Direct Publishing, but there are other options out there such as Create Space and many more. I chose Kindle Direct Publishing because it enabled me to have a Kindle ebook version alongside a print-on-demand paperback on the same page. So I thought it would be easier for buyers, and so that's the route I went down. And at this stage, all you need to do is set up your account so you're ready to go. So let me know in the comments if you've got a topic idea ready for your own book. I'd love to know. So step 3 is curate your content. So if you're a content creator already, you will have content out there in the world. This could be blog posts, social media posts, it could be emails that you've sent to your email list, it could be even videos. And what you're going to do is collect together all of that content that could be relevant to your book. You're going to then slot it into your outline at the appropriate time. And what this gives you is it gives you more of a fleshed out outline. Step 4, now you need a plan to write the additional content, to rewrite bits and to basically make your whole book flow together as one. If your book's going to end up about 80,000 words, then you need to figure out how many words you can write each day. For example, if you wrote 2,000 words a day, you'd be able to get your book written in 40 days. So it doesn't seem that overwhelming now. So before I move on to the last 2 steps, I'd love to know if you've already started to write your book. So let me know in the comments below if you have. Step 5, so there are some key things that you need to be ticking off when you're actually writing your book too. This means that when you finish writing, you're not held up by the other things that you have to have done and put in place. So one of these things is to find an editor. Now there are all different types of editor and you might choose to edit yourself, but I would recommend against that because often we know our own content so well that we fill in the gaps and we don't always read everything as it should be read. Our brain fills in the rest. So I would always advise getting an editor. And also you're going to need to think about formatting your book. So whether you buy a template that you can drag and drop your chapters into and it will format it, or whether you get one of the free templates that are available on Kindle Direct Publishing or Create Space, or whether you go and hire a formatter, you need to have already sort of ticked off those 2 things and have those systems or people in place ready and waiting for you to finish your book. Okay, so the last step is assets. You're going to need a book cover, so you can DIY, you could hire a designer, or you could get a template from somewhere like createspace.com, which is where I got mine. You're also going to need promotional mock-ups. So these are your book cover in various different situations, which are all obviously mocked up, but you can use these in the pre-launch and the launch of your book. And you know, going forward for the regular promotion of your book on social media or anywhere else you're going to do that. You're also going to need to start thinking about your blurb. So the blurb on the back of your book, you need to start thinking about that and have that all mapped out so that if you are going to give it to a designer, you can give them that information too. So now you know exactly how to get your book written and out there into the world. Did you miss any steps? Don't worry, I've written a comprehensive blog post all about this topic and included all of the links to the places that I got my assets and things done. So I'll put the link for that in the comments below. Also, if you want to join a community of women just like you, I have a secret society where I share up-to-date blogging and biz tips to help you turn your blog into a business. If you like this video, please let me know by liking it below, subscribe and share this with your friends. And if you found this video helpful, just write helpful in the comments. I'll see you soon.